Okay, so other guidelines. All group members hand in their own copy of the dialogues. Everybody's doing it. 2 points per dialogue, but only one will be graded for accuracy. Okay? So what I'll do is I'll roll a dice, say, okay, there's 4 people in the group. You're number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Roll the dice, lands on 2. Like, all right, yours is the paper that I'm collecting for accuracy. So that means you all have to work well as a group. Make sure, it's like, yeah, you know what, there's an accent on that. Okay, you got to write the accent. How do you spell that? Oh, Conoces. Oh, okay, we all have the same, everything's the same on everybody's paper? Good. All right, good. Every group member must actively participate. 5 possible points. You should have your dictionary out. Senorita, can you please stop just shuffling the papers around and stuff? Can you just listen, please? Thank you. Dictionary, reference sheet should be present on everyone's desk. Okay? I'm going to be watching. Okay, I'm going to be coming around here. If you're just sitting there with just this paper in front of you, then you're going to lose points. Okay? And then I'll talk to you after class. I'll say, hey, I noticed that you have nothing on your desk. Everybody else is contributing, and you have no food sheet out. You don't have your tenses sheet out. You don't have your verb list. You don't have your references. So therefore, you lose a point. Doesn't go towards the group grade. That's just your grade. Yeah. Yeah, good question. You don't have to choose one of the menus. You can use, yes, the point is to use your menus. Okay? Now, I know that you all have different menus. It's not like it has to be ordering from the same menu. Okay? So you can all, you want to switch menus. Say you want to use my menu for the dialogue. You want to use my menu or use your own. Whatever. Okay? Everybody's paper must be double spaced. No 2 lines of writing next to each other whatsoever. Even if your sentence goes on to the next line, you still skip a space. Double space, pencil, full first name of speaker written in dialogue. So here's how you're going to be starting. You have to let me know who the waiter is and stuff. So I would suggest maybe using your English name. Yeah, use your English names, because if somebody else is going to be sitting in for you, if you're in a group of 3, then you know, okay, say, hey, you're going to be Johnny, whatever. All right? So maybe Nick will be the server. So you'll put here, let me know who the server is going to be. And then you use a colon, and that's their line. Who are you with, Nico? And then, and then you put their person's name and a colon. Is this how you spell it? That's it. Right. And then you put a colon, like, oh wait, I'm not double spacing. No, make sure you double space. I will understand that if you tell me who the waiter is, or waitress, then I'll understand that the rest of the people are the customers. And then skip a space, and Johnny's that extra person. Now, we're gonna hold off on the question. Like, you're supposed to ask questions to the class, like, hey, what did Johnny order? But that's past tense. But listen, I don't know if we're gonna get to this, so hold off on this part. Let's just concentrate on the dialogue, okay? And then the presentation of the questions. Don't worry about these 2 things for right now. We'll see how long this takes. We'll see if we'll get to that or not. So with that said, then what does it say? How many points? 100. So, and then skipping sections 5 and 6, then that would take 10 points away. So this is actually out of 90 points, because it's 20 points for your corrections. So I'm going to collect all the dialogues. I'm going to put all those little abbreviations all over them. And then you as a group are going to correct it together. And then we're going to present them, which might even take us into after Thanksgiving break.